So hi guys, as you know, I have another channel, YouTube channel. Please subscribe first my YouTube channel, my new YouTube channel. So I made this YouTube channel just because for an educational purposes, guys. I really wanted to share all my knowledge about you guys on how I pass on my entrance exam or how I ace my NOAT or APCAT entrance exam. So as of now guys, meron kayong maririnig na mga parang kasi gabi na ako na video about this kind of matter. So as of now, look, yung mic ko kasi na lowbat siya. Kaya ayun, kailangan ko na lang tapos kayo na lang mag-adjust guys sa mga parang mga naririnig nyo na mga sound. So as of now, I really wanted to share my knowledge guys, and it is based on my experience. I cannot guarantee you guys na ito talaga yung lalabas guys. I really wanted to share my knowledge kasi guys, gusto kong makatulong. No what takers, gusto ko na positively papasa kayo, 'di ba? Mostly sa mga papasukan nating university, 'di ba? Yung mga strict na university, kailangan mag-entrance exam ka, kailangan merong interview, or if you are an eduk student, kailangan mong mag-demo. Yun yung mga, meron ding screening process. Yes, there's a screening process na kailangan mong lampasan para maka-enroll ka on your dream university. So, ayan, before I proceed to the topic, turn to the step-by-step on how I ace my entrance exam, my NOAT or APCAT exam. So, guys, please subscribe first in my YouTube channel para guys, updated kayo on my next content in this channel. So, ayan guys, so, I'm a NOAT or APCAT taker, and guys, I passed in a high score. And sa mga gusto talagang pumasa, again, I cannot guarantee you na ito talaga yung lalabas, but it is based on my experience, and mostly those of the experience is makakatulong siya guys on how we ace those entrance exam. And as of now, hindi na ako magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Let's go to the video. So ayan guys, so first step on how to ace a entrance exam. Entrance exam or admission test, NOAT, APCAT, or anything else guys, kung anong matatawag dyan sa mga parang sa entrance exam talaga siya. Ayun guys, ba't ako nag-English? In public man o private guys, yes, strict talaga sila. Need kang mag-entrance exam, and then you need to pass. So the first step that I'm going to share with you is, first one is praying. So praying, it is the most important in all guys, yes. Kasi kahit na 'di ba tayo hindi natin alam kung ano yung lalabas doon sa exam, sa mismong exam, but praying is the most powerful on all, 'di ba? Kahit sino naman mag-a-advise sa inyo na i-pray mo, i-hold mo sa Lord. Ako nun kasi I've always praying na sabi ko kay Lord na, Lord, ipapasa mo ako, ipanalo mo ako, kasi it's been 2 years kasi guys. It's been 2 years since I don't take college journey guys. Supposedly I'm a third year na sana ako, but my mom is a vendor, a chili vendor, and ako lang talaga yung makakatulong sa kanya. That's why hindi ko muna minadali yung pag-aral ng college. So ayun nga. So meron naman akong reason. And then also hindi mawawala yung financial guys. Hindi mawawala yung financial kasi pag college ka kasi madami kang iisipin. Project, boarding house, magta-travel ka pa kasi nga malayo. For me guys, nandito ako sa bundok, kaya need ng travel, need ng pera para may pamasahe ka. Important kasi yung praying guys, kasi if you hold those dream, you really wanted to become an eduk student, whether it is a BEd or BSed, you really need to ask to the Lord exact knowledge, and then patient, and then guide. Kasi 'di ba magte-take ka ng entrance exam, and you really need to have a lot of knowledge, 'di ba? Galing 'yun kay Lord. Kaya kung anong gusto nating makapasa, then pray it to God. I will leave you my favorite verse, and I really wanted to share it with you para ma-inspire din kayo guys. Yeah. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, but to give you hope and a future. Lahat ng plano ni Lord, hindi yun makakasira sa'yo. It will not destroy you, but to give you hope and a future. Lord, ipanalo mo ko ngayon kasi this is my time. This is my time, Lord. Dineclare ko talaga yun. Iniyak ko lahat ng mga burden, lahat ng mga hurts, lahat ng mga betrayed. Yes, guys, you need to surrender first yourself before ka manghingi kay Lord kung ano yung gusto mo. The next step, gather what you need right before the exam. Well prepared dapat tayo. Kung kailangan sa exam ng ballpen, kailangan mo magdala ng ballpen, di ba? Yung mga requirements din guys, huwag niyong kakalimutan, dapat sa gabi pa lang, na-prepared niyo talaga yung lahat ng requirements. Meron silang pages, FB pages, and then kailangan mong i-follow doon kasi nandun yung mga instructions, nandun yung mga requirements. Kailangan mo doon na dapat updated ka palagi kasi pag hindi ka updated palagi, you're out of the blue. Mako-question ka nila doon. We have posted a requirements or the things you need to do before the exam. Sa atin, gusto natin yung well-prepared tayo para the exact time or the exact exam, wala na tayong problemahin. O kung kailangan i-print yung good moral mo, kailangan i-print yung, dapat meron kang photocopy ng good moral mo, dapat meron kang photocopy ng birth certificate mo, dapat meron kang photocopy ng report card mo. O diba? Kailangan mo yung i-photocopy agad. At saka, kung need ng ballpen, o diba, kung nag-require doon na kailangan magdala ng ballpen para mabilis guys, kasi nga pag kayo lahat may dalang ballpen, hindi na kayo naghihiraman, 'di ba? Mabilis na lang kung may pipirmahan kayo. The next step is go to bed early. Oo, yun yung talagang ginawa ko guys, kasi you need to relax your mind. Dapat nung mga hapon pa lang nag-review na kayo. In the night, you need to relax your mind guys, kasi pag dating ng exam, pag stress ka, so maapektuhan yung utak mo. Hindi ka makafocus doon sa goal. Sa mismong exam, magiging more stress pa siya guys. The next step guys is i-research mo, Google man, sa YouTube, i-research mo doon yung mga possible na lalabas ng exam. For example, in Google. And then, in YouTube, pwede kayo manood ng madami sa YouTube videos doon sa YouTube, madami mga tutorial, kung ano yung mga experience, panoorin nyo yun guys, kasi isa din yun sa makag-help sa akin why I ace my entrance exam or why I pass my entrance exam. Sa math kasi mostly yung ano nila doon is abstract reasoning, logical reasoning, numerical reasoning, yung mga calculus, yung mga problem solving, yun kasing mismong lumalabas sa math. Pero it is based on my experience kasi guys, kasi mostly if it is an strict university guys, yun talaga, yun yung mga parang may pattern, yun yung mga ano nila sa math. Kasi yun nangyari sa akin guys. All of I see in the internet or in the YouTube, in the Google, lahat ng mga nakikita ko doon na parang mga reviewer, lahat inano ko yun guys, familiarize ko yun lahat. Tapos in the exact exam, yun palang lumabas is maraming math. If it is an strict university guys, mostly math talaga ang lalabas. Madaming math. Oo, yung sa akin na madaming math, tsaka yung English vocabulary. Tas yung naano ko kasi guys, yung na-review ko, lahat ng subject na review ko, kasi nga hindi natin alam kung ano talagang lalabas. Wala naman silang pointers na binibigay, 'di ba? It's just they need to test your knowledge kung saan ka talaga. And the next step is read instruction carefully. Kahit na tama naman yung sagot mo, pero sa pagbasa mo pala ng instruction, hindi ka sumunod. Whether your answer is correct, pero hindi ka sumunod sa instruction, then your answer is wrong. Dapat magkasama yun. Dapat if you read carefully the instruction and then follow those instruction, then your answer is correct. Kung hindi ka nag-follow ng instruction, tapos yung answer mo is correct, wala din. Wala kang magagawa. Kasi nga, hindi ka sumunod sa instruction. The last one that I'm going to share with you, the last step, yes. Answer first, the easiest one. Unahin mo muna yung mga parang sa tingin mo na easy lang siyang sagutan. Oo, kasi, di ba, pwede mo naman yung i-review, pwede mo naman yung ibalik, and then, ibalik mo, tas, maganda kasi sa entrance exam, or sa exam, mostly kasi sa mga universities, magbibigay sila ng oras. Yung sa akin, guys, 72 yata yun, 72 or 80 items, tapos, within 40 minutes, oo. Tapos, pagsimula pa lang, nakikita mo parang na yung utak mo, dapat bilisan mo, 'di ba? Kasi nga yung oras. Huwag mong basihan yung oras, basihan mo yung mga easy na answer, yun yung unahin mo. Yung mga mahihirap, yun na yung i-analyze mo. Tas pag meron pang oras na natitira, pwede mo siyang i-review, pwede mo siyang i-back, or kung yung sa amin kasi doon kami sa mismong university, doon merong, yung gamit kasi namin is tablet, and then, meron kaming Gmail, and then, we click the link. Meron siyang oras, within 40 minutes, dapat matapos mo yon. Or kung hindi ka lalagpas, para ma-disqualified, kasi yun yung rules. And you need to follow rules, 'di ba? Yun yung nasabi ko kanina. Yung sa akin kasi, hindi naman mawawala yung kaba, guys. Grabe yung kaba ko doon, banda. Kasi, nung pagsabi na starstruck ako doon sa babae, sabi niya sa akin, ay, ganituhin mo, ganito, ganyan. Ayan, naklik na yung link, tas ginamit yung Gmail account ko para sa doon sa Google Form. And then, sabi niya, i-click nyo yung para mag-start. Ang nangyari sa akin, naklik ko talaga siya diretso kasi hindi pa ako nakaupo sa upuan, guys. Oo, naklik ko siya kasi na-starstruck ako dun sa babae, and then parang ganon, meron palang oras yung exam. So ayun, pag upo ko na, parang yung isip ko na, hala, kailangan ko anuhin kasi nga 40 minutes. Akala ko hindi ko yun matatapos within 40 minutes. Tas ang nangyari, guys, natapos ko siya, pero meron pang 10 minutes na natitira, sabi ko. Sige, na-review ko na yung answer ko. Sige, okay na to. Kahit na meron pa akong oras, meron pang 10 minutes, pero yun na yun. Kaya inuna ko yung easy. Tsaka ko siya yung mga difficult questions. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel para more videos about educational, guys. So, I made this channel para educational purposes, guys. Kung ano yung mga knowledge ko, kung ano yung mga naranasan ko. I really wanted to share with you guys kasi sharing is giving. And then, meron akong channel na Bebe Rose, and then Rose Ib. Yes, guys, please subscribe there also. Yun yung mga iba kong mga content. Oo. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. So, bye-bye. See you on my next video.